Attention realtors! Are your listings struggling to stand out in a crowded market? Imagine walking into a home that sparkles from top to bottom, instantly captivating potential buyers. At TidyTex Home Cleaning, we specialize in making homes shine, ensuring they grab attention and drive buyer interest. As a retired Army veteran-owned business based in San Antonio, we bring reliability, professionalism, and a commitment to excellence right to your doorstep. Our quick turnaround times mean we're ready to help you prepare homes for sale, improve property showings, and close deals faster than ever. We understand how crucial those first impressions are, especially before open houses or buyer visits. That's why we focus on every detail, making sure your property looks immaculate and inviting. Here's a quick tidy tip for realtors. Enhance your home's appeal for little to no cost. Simply open all blinds and turn on lights before a showing. It creates a welcoming, bright atmosphere that buyers absolutely love. Ready to make your listings irresistible? Check the video description for more details and contact us today. Let TidyTex be your partner in success, because a clean home sells faster and leaves a lasting impression.